quick Walgreens hack for you. Without using any coupons, you can get a year's worth of laundry soap, depending on how much laundry soap you guys, like how many loads you go through. For only $9, you can get a total of 4. Either do 4 Tide Pods or 4, or you can mix and match like I did. Personally, I like the pods. I think it helps out new people, especially if you're teaching like your children to do laundry or somebody in the house who hasn't done laundry before, how to. This way they don't have to measure and they're not using too much. So that's without any coupons. If you would like to go ahead and also pick up an Oral-B toothbrush as well as some Crest toothpaste, if you want to do it in 2 transactions, there's a coupon for both of those, so it only ends up being $1 each. If you buy those together, you're going to get a $4 rebate back, which you pay $2 out of pocket, but then you get a $4 cash back. And then if you want to go ahead and buy the Tide, it'll go ahead and bring the Tide down to just being $7 out of pocket. Hope that helps.